these are my groups and frequency. So we are now we have the groups. Everybody can hear me. Everybody can listen to me,
Yes, sir.
and you can see my board.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we have got is
Yes,
0
sir.
to 10 groups. So groups 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And frequencies that we have got is
Sir, 50 to 60.
there is another one, na 50 to 60, right? 50 to
Yes, sir.
60. And the frequencies are we have got is 10, then
10,
next one
20,
20,
30,
30, 50,
50, 40,
40,
30.
30. And total n equals to all of you are writing along with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
summation fi is equals to 180. Okay. Now this is a model problem that we are doing, because you have to find out mean, median, and mode for the whole problem. So we will do one table only. We will do a single table where everything will be there in the table. So for mean, what are the things that are required? Tell me if you remember. So we already have frequency. We need,
XI.
yes, xi. We need mid values. So for mean, we need mid values. That is xi. I'm not writing. So that is, I've written mid. So you please write mid values. Mid values of groups. That is xi. Then we need fi into xi, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So frequencies are my fi. I don't have much space, so please bear with me. So mid values of 0 to 10 is, mid value of the group 0 to 10 is 0 plus 10
5.
by 2, that is 5.
5.
Then mid value of group 10 to 20 is 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2, that is 15.
15.
15.
So 5, 15, 25, 35,
35.
45,
45, 55,
and
65.
55. So that is your mid values. Then fi into xi is just multiply fi with xi, that is 10 into 5 is 50.
50.
Then 20 into 15 is
200.
300. So like that. And so please complete. Then 750. Then
700. 1750.
1750. Okay, I take that. Then 1800.
180.
Right?
Yes, sir.
1800, and then finally 1650.
Yes, sir.
So we need, for mean, that is sufficient. For median, what we need? For median, we need cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency less than type. That is the column that we require. So cumulative frequency less than type. So we have already frequency. So cumulative frequency less than type we have already learned. যারা এর আগে ছিল না তারা just listen. So we'll just add up the frequency. So first column, first row frequency is 10. So cumulative frequency is 10. Then next is 10 plus 20, that gives you 30. Then next is 30 plus 30, that is 60.
6.
আগের ভ্যালুটার সঙ্গে পরের এই ফ্রিকোয়েন্সিটা অ্যাড করব, উইল অলওয়েজ, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য কিউমুলেটিভ। উই হ্যাভ অলরেডি এক্সপ্লেন দ্যাট। মানে উপর থেকে ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি গুলো অ্যাড করতে করতে যাও, উইল কিপ অন অ্যাডিং দ্য ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি। সো ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ 10, second one is 10 plus 20 gives you 30, third one is 30 plus 30 gives you 60, fourth
60.
one is
110.
110, 60 plus 50 is 110, then 110 plus 40 is 150, and then finally 150 plus
180.
30 is 180. So for mean, median, mode, no other column is required, only this. Then what you have to add, we have to find the summation fi xi value. So summation fi xi means this fi xi column you have to add. So fi xi column you add. Tell me what is the value?
6,300.
Huh?
6,300.
6300. Everybody agrees?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 6300. So everybody is following. Whoever is attending the class, everybody is following.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody who is not able to follow? Please ask. If you are having any difficulty, please ask, because this is quite simple. আমরা এর আগে করেছি. I'm just recapitulating all those. Now use the formulas that we have already learnt. So I give you 2 minutes, 3 minutes to complete, then I'll come back and do. Okay, so I'm stopping the. Now you do the mean, median, mode. We have already discussed the formulas. So for mean, median and mode, you do it, then I'll come back. I'll give you 3-4 minutes and then come back. Okay, so do it yourself, then I'll come back.
কবে হতে পারে?
কে জিজ্ঞেস করছে এটা?
সম্রাট স্যার।
এখনই এক্সাম নিয়ে চিন্তা করতে হবে, এক্সাম দেরি আছে, মানে কখন হবে এখন ঠিক নেই, আপাতত চেক পড়ানো, মেবি নট বিফোর এন্ড অফ জানুয়ারি, আই ডোন্ট থিঙ্ক বিফোর এন্ড অফ জানুয়ারি ইট উইল বি দেয়ার। So we have already done the table. Now we'll use the formula for mean, median and mode to calculate. So I'm just rubbing this off and writing down the formula for mean. Students, please provide me the values. Okay. So for mean, we have definition of mean is x bar is mean is summation fi xi by n. That is the formula for mean. So summation fi xi, what we have got is 6300, isn't it?
6,000. Yes, sir.
And n is 180.
180.
So how much you have got?
35.
35. So mean we have got
Yes,
is 35. So all of you, please do it. Those who haven't done it. So summation fi xi we have already calculated. So just putting the value as summation fi xi is 6300 and n is 180. So summation fi xi by n is, so after simplification we get the mean as 35. Then for the median, the formula is median. If you remember, the formula is we have written, যারা আগের দিন ছিল না, যারা নতুন, please write L plus n by 2 minus f minus 1, capital F minus 1 by f0 into L. What is the median class? Then we have defined what is median class. Median class, for median class, how we have defined median class in the last day. The median class is that class for which the cumulative frequency is just greater than n by 2. Cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. Now n is 180. So n by 2 is 90. All of you can understand, follow. So n by 2 is 90. So for which class the cumulative frequency is greater than 90, just greater than 90?
30 to 40.
So 32, so that means our median class is 30 to 40.
Yes, sir.
একটু পরে 30 to 40. So that is our median class. So median class is 30 to 40. তো সবাই তোমরা নিজেদের টেবিল দেখো, টেবিলের মধ্যে, so L is the lower class boundary of the median class. That means that is equals to 30. So median class and lower class boundary is 30. I am circling, sorry, not circulating, I am circling. So that is L is 30 plus, আচ্ছা আরেকবার একটু মুছি এটা. So what we get is our L is 30. সবাই বুঝতে পারছে?
Yes, sir.
n by 2 is 90. Capital F minus 1 is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding ওর আগের ক্লাসটা, আগের ক্লাসের cumulative
60
frequency
minus 1.
কত ছিল?
60.
Cumulative frequency column আমার এখানে বোর্ড নেই, so I cannot. So 60, everybody is agreeing 60.
Yes, sir. 60.
So 10 plus 20 plus 30, I think 60, yes. 60, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
F0 is, small f0 is frequency of the median class.
50.
50. So f0 is 50. and L is 10. L হচ্ছে length of the L না H লিখেছিলাম বোধহয়. I think I have written L or H in the last class. So both,
110 হবে
both of them are say yes. So it is 10. Length of the median class is 10. So simplify what we will be getting. So that is 30 plus 30 by 50 into 10. So that means 36, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So median is 36. সবাই করছে? All of you are doing along with me.
Yes, sir.
f0 কোন থেকে পেলেন
হ্যাঁ কোনটা?
f0
F0 হচ্ছে frequency of the median class. Frequency
Sir, less
কলামটা
than-
দেখো, frequency কলামটা দেখো।
স্যার লেস দ্যান টাইপ তো
না শুধু frequency. F
স্যার তাহলে f-1 টা তো 30 হবে
আরে F-1 তুমি আগের দিন কাজ করোনি, এটা কে বলছে?
স্যার আমি
ওমর
স্যার
ফারুক তাই তো না প্রান্ত?
না স্যার আমি হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
আমি তো গলা শুনে শোনা, আমি বোর্ড দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। হ্যাঁ প্রান্ত আগের দিন কাজ করোনি। F-1 হচ্ছে ক্যাপিটাল F টা হচ্ছে কিউমুলেটিভ আর স্মল F টা হচ্ছে শুধু ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি। আই থিংক আই হ্যাভ টোল্ড দ্যাট ইন দ্য লাস্ট ক্লাস। ক্যাপিটাল F ইজ দ্য কিউমুলেটিভ and small f হচ্ছে only frequency. So cumulative frequency of the previous class. So that is 60. And only frequency is 30. Frequency of the median class is 30, isn't it?
yes sir yes
Oh, so put that.
Yes, sir.
And then it is 36. So median and then mode. So mode formula is L plus F0 small f0 minus F small f minus 1 by 2 into F0 minus F minus 1 small এগুলো সবকটাই small F plus 1 into H. So that is the formula for mode for group data. Now all of them are defined according to the modal class. What is the modal class? Modal class is the class or group with highest frequency. So which group has highest frequency? I think again 30 to 40, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, same.
So 30 to 40 is the modal class as well as the median class. Both median class and modal class is 30 to 40. Hence L is similarly L is the lower class boundary. So that is
30.
30 plus F0 is 50. তাই তো frequency of the modal class F0 is small f0 is frequency of the modal class. F minus 1 হচ্ছে তার আগের ক্লাসের ফ্রিকোয়েন্সিটা, সেটা কত?
30.
30 না?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2F0 is 100 minus 30 minus 40 নাকি?
Yes, sir.
F plus
Yes, sir.
1 F plus 1 হচ্ছে after the modal class. একটা আগের একটা পরের. So previous class to the modal class, another that is minus 1 F minus 1 and next to the modal class is F plus 1. That's the frequency. So that value is 40 and H is 10. So if you simplify, this will be 30 plus 20 by 30 into 10.
So 30.
তো তার মানে হচ্ছে
30.
30 কোথা থেকে হবে? ভুলভাল ক্যালকুলেট করলে হবে?
36.67
36.67. ক্যালকুলেটর ইউজ করো, ইউজ ক্যালকুলেটর। আর ওই কমার্সের ক্যালকুলেটর ইউজ করলে কিন্তু ভুলভাল হয়ে যাবে, বিকজ কমার্সের ক্যালকুলেটর ডাজ নট ফলো দ্য বদমাস রুল। ইউজ সাইন্টিফিক ক্যালকুলেটর। So
Okay.
what we have got mean as 35, median as 36,
36.
and mode as 36.67, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So all of you have, so that is the first difficulty. What is the difficulty? What is the difference between this problem and the previous problem? Who can tell me what is the difference?
Grouping.
Sir, one difference. 5.
Grouping.
What kind of grouping is
5
there?
to
So we have to
Sir, here
put the gap
non-available.
between the group.
Yes, this is called, what does it called?
Non-available.
This is called discontinuous group. This is
Yes,
called
sir.
discontinuous
Yes, sir.
groups. I think I have defined that discontinuous group. We have done that previous class. So for discontinuous group, if you are trying to find the mean, median, mode, if you are trying to find the mean, there will be no problem. But for mode and median, you will be facing difficulties. So it is always better to make them continuous. So I'll teach you how to make them continuous. So let's make groups as continuous. So what we'll do, we'll
Sir,
just add, yes, somebody is trying to
sir,
say.
add two numbers and
No, for that we will make the how we can make the group continuous. We'll just find out the average of this values. Previous group in upper class, upper boundary, and the next group lower boundary. So 5 and 6. Average is 5.5. Right? So the average is 5.5. So I'll make that 5.5, and next class will start from 5.5. And
5.5.
10, 11. Average is 10.5.
10.5.
Then next group 5, 15 and 16. Sorry, 10 and 11. So next group will start from 10.5.
10.5. 15.5.
Yes, it will be 15.5. And
Yes, sir.
this way you can make it continuous. So this will be starting from
5.
0.5. Can you follow? Can you follow? Students, can you follow? So
Yes, sir. Yes.
just make them continuous by this to 20.5, and then add others remain unchanged, and frequency 7, 10, 16, whatever 30. So can you please complete the problem? Now we can do the mean, median, mode. Please, I'll give you 5 minutes and come back. Please complete the problem, do mean, median, mode, and then we'll
sir,
yes.
স্যার মার্কসে ওই 5 এর উপর একটা আছে 3 থেকে 40, ওটা 3 থেকে আছে
কোনটা 3 থেকে 40 আছে?
স্যার 4 নম্বরের অঙ্কটা 7 নম্বর মার্কসটা স্যার গ্রুপিং
3 থেকে 40 ওটা ছাপা ভুল আছে, ওটা 36 থেকে 40 হবে, ওটা প্রিন্টিং মিস্টেক।
ওকে স্যার
ইয়েস, ওটা 36 to 40 হবে, বুঝতে পেরেছো? ওটা প্রিন্টিং মিস্টেক, ঠিক বলেছো, রাইট। that is printing mistake. Please complete, huh? Please complete. I'll come back again after 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes and then come back. We require 3 more columns. So mid values. So somebody please tell me the mid values. I'll tell me. I'll tell. Okay. Shayok Pal, please tell me the mid values. So 0.5 and 5.5. Mid value is 3, I think.
Yes, sir. 3.
3.
Yes, sir.
Then 3,
3.
8.
8
Sir, বলবো স্যার?
13.
3, 8, 13 এরকম ভাবে যাবে। So it will go around 3, 8, 13, তাই তো? মিড ভ্যালুজ সবাই করেছে?
Yes, sir. স্যার এটা
Yes,
কবে
sir.
দিয়েছে আমার?
হ্যাঁ, কে বলো?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
কি কথা ছিল বলো। কে বলবে বলো? সায়ক না, কে বলছো? কথা ছিল কি বলো?
স্যার 3, 8, 13,
18.
18, 23, 28,
হ্যাঁ,
33.
ঠিক আছে তো, হলো তো। আবার কে কি কথা বলছিল? হলো। So that is xi, mid values. Then we have fi xi column. এটা কে বলবে?
স্যার বলবো
স্যার আমি বলবো।
না সবই একজন বললো, আমি তো সায়ককে বলতে হলো। সায়ক বললো?
নো স্যার।
সায়ক
না,
পাল
স্যার।
কোথায় গেল? সায়ক পাল, are you there? It's being recorded. Amol Monon is there? Omar. Okay, somebody else. Jyoti, tell me FIXI
Yes, sir.
values.
Yes, sir.
FIXI
Are
values.
21,
21,
80.
80.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, बोलते थाको. I'm not writing all
208,
of them, so please, Jyoti, please tell all the values. 21, 80,
20,
then
208,
208,
540,
540,
552,
552,
476,
476,
330,
330,
185,
185,
42,
42. And summation FIXI is
2434.
2434. So everybody
Yes, sir.
agrees? Everybody agrees with
Yes,
that?
sir. Sir, 185 যেটা বললো ওটা 187.5 হবে।
না 187.5 হতে পারে না কোথাও, হবে না, ভুল আছে, because all the values will be coming as integers, so there is no way it is one. What about others? What the others are saying? Other students, Ritika,
Sir,
Ruby,
2440.
huh?
2440.
What is the summation FIXI value?
Sir, it is
2440.
2440.
Yes, sir.
So which value?
2440.
You are not agreeing with which value?
2440 summation FIXI.
The FIXI values are all right, but the sum is
No,
not
No,
right.
sir.
sir,
No,
not
sir.
right.
The last one 42 would be 43.
43. 43.
Yes, yes, sir, 43.
Okay, acha.
And before 190.
Before that 185 is 190. 190.
So majority is
Yes,
saying that,
2435.
so I'll
Sir,
accept
summation
that.
X. Sir, summation FIXI 2435.
2440.
Yes, sir.
2440.
2440.
So last group's frequency. What was the frequency of the last group? Last group frequency. I think frequency was 1, and the mid
One.
value was 41 plus 45, 90, 80, 40, 43 was, yes. So last
Yes,
value is
sir.
43.
Yes,
That is
43.
right. I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
checking. Last value is 43 and 38. So 38 into 5 is, yes, 190. 190 is right. So 2440 is right. 2440 is right. Okay, so mean is 2440 divided by, what is the sum? Summation FIXI. Summation FI.
120.
How much is summation FI?
120.
120.
120. So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
value of
20.33.
20.33? So that
Yes,
is the
sir.
value of mean. 20.33.
Yes, sir.
1/3 have 20.33, right? So
Okay.
and what is the value of median? Median class. I think median class will be, which class is the median class? Who will tell me which class is the median class?
Sir, 15.5, 20.5.
So that is the median class. Everybody agrees to that. So 120,
Yes, sir.
120. Just let me check. Just let
Yes,
me
sir.
check. No, that is not the median class.
Has the highest frequency with 30.
No, highest frequency is 30. That does not define median class.
Oh, sir, sorry, I
Median
was
class is
talking
not
about.
that. Nothing to do with highest frequency. Median class has nothing to do with highest frequency.
Sorry, sir. It is
More.
yes, sir. It is n by 2 is 60.
60.
So greater than that is 63.
63,
So
which one?
then,
21.
sir, that one only 15.5, 20.5.
2.15.
30, 16. Just
Yes, sir. Yeah.
16,
ওটাই হবে।
17, 17, 16, 33. Yes, I think yes. So that is the so median. So what is the median? Who else? Okay, not Aparajita, somebody else. Somebody else, please tell me. Somebody else. What about the others? So many students are there. Nikita, can you do it? Shoinik, Shilpa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Shoinik, tell me the median. So median, how to find out median? Median class is 15.5 to 20.5, isn't it? Median class is that because cumulative frequency of that class is 63. Have you found out the cumulative frequency? Shoinik, this way cannot be done. If you are not doing, then I'm sorry, I can't help. Everybody has to do. Shilpa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So have you done it? Median, what is the value of median?
So cumulative frequency means frequency উপর থেকে নিচে যেটা অ্যাড করব।
হ্যাঁ, উপর থেকে নিচে অ্যাড করলে 7 আর 10 এ 17, 17 আর 16 33, 33 plus 30 is 63. So cumulative frequency of the group 15.5 to
Sir, L
20.5.
equals to 15.5.
So median, হ্যাঁ, L equals to 15.5. So 15.5 plus 60 minus 3 divided by 30 into 5.
5.
How much is that? 15.5 plus
4.5. 4.5.
9 by 10, that is 9 by 10 into 5. Yes, 4.5. 15.5 plus 4.5, that is 20.
20. Yes, sir.
20, I think 20.
Yes, sir.
So 20 is median. And mode is again same group because that is the highest frequency. So L is 15.5 plus F0 is 30 minus 16 by 60 minus 16 in minus 24 into 5. So that is mode. So 15.5 plus তাই তো হবে highest frequency
Yes,
is
sir.
30.
Yes,
তার
sir.
আগেরটা হচ্ছে 16, তার পরেরটা হচ্ছে 24. So that means
Yes, sir.
14 by 14 by 20 into 5. 4 2 3.5. That is 15.5 plus 3.5 is 19.
19. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
19. Okay. So that is mean, median, mode. So that completes our class today. Please try the other problems.
Okay,
Try
sir.
the other
Sir.
problems.
স্যার মিডিয়ান 20 বেরিয়েছিল তো?
হ্যাঁ, median 20 তো বেরোলো।